Hi everyone, I'm Samuel, BQool's brand evangelist. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect Boxem to BQool and streamline your inventory management effortlessly. We'll cover the steps to enable the integration and how to load your data from Boxem. Let's get started. First, navigate to Listing, then click Active Listings, head to Settings, then select General. Scroll down to Boxem Integration and toggle it on. From the drop-down menu, you can choose your preferred cost type. Highest cost, lowest cost, average cost, or current cost. These are the cost types BQool will sync from your Boxem account every hour. Once you've made your selection, just click Save and that's it. The synchronization between BQool and Boxem occurs every hour. This means that whether it's the initial sync or a change in the cost type in BQool, a new sync process will be triggered. During this period, the system will display a waiting to synchronize message. After the hourly sync is completed and the cost has been updated, a status success message will appear confirming that the synchronization was successful. Next, hover over the bulk action button and select Reload Cost from Boxem. This is the quickest way to update cost data for specific listings. Simply select the listings that you want to update, click Bulk Actions, Reload Cost from Boxem, and the system will import real-time cost data directly into BQool. Please note, the bulk action feature only works if Boxem integration is enabled in the general settings. Once you've enabled the integration in BQool, head over to Boxem, navigate to Settings, and click on Integrations. Toggle on Allow Integration. After connecting BQool and Boxem on both platforms, you'll be able to sync costs between the two systems. Next, and I'll show you how to sync your costs with BQool. First, click on the pen icon to edit. Under the cost category, you'll find options like buy cost, prep cost, manufacturing, and shipping. Let's use the Chico bag as an example. We'll update the buy cost to $9. But what if you source the product again from different places or at different costs and the buy cost changed? In that case, you can click on the Add Restock and enter the buy cost for each scenario. For this demo, we've added Restock 1 and 2. Once you've made these updates in Boxem, it only takes up to an hour for changes to sync automatically with BQool. After you've added all your products with different costs, you can choose to display different cost types. To do this, go to the settings in the top right corner, select General, then navigate to Boxem Integration. From there, choose the cost type you'd like to apply, hit Save, and the product cost will automatically reflect the type you set. You could also manually reload the individual product costs from the Action button by clicking Reload Cost from Boxem, or use the bulk action option I demonstrated earlier. That wraps up our latest update on the Boxem integration. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@bqool.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful content. We're BQool, keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.